to my birthday shopping haul. Birthday shopping and all the gifts that I got from Tejas, उसका पूरा haul. तो मैंने Instagram पे story डाला था कि ना birthday shopping done. So many of you said कि यार we want a haul and I've never done a haul video like ऐसे. तो this might be a new video format and I honestly don't know कि मैंने पता है बहुत सारे hauls देखती भी नहीं हूँ. So this is a very new thing. I hope I'm able to show you properly. But मैंने पहले सोचा था मैं आपको सारा कुछ पहन के सब दिखाऊंगी बट टुमारो वी आर लीविंग फॉर मसई मारा एंड बहुत सारा शॉपिंग है. तो आज के वीडियो में इट विल बी अ मिक्स ऑफ द हॉल, द बर्थडे प्रेजेंट्स एंड ऑल्सो सम थिंग्स अबाउट मसई मारा एंड पैक विथ मी फॉर माई ट्रिप. सो लेट्स बिगिन. ऑल्सो डिस्क्लेमर, तो इतना सारा आपको दिख रहा है कि शॉपिंग है, दैट डज नॉट मीन आई एम अ वेरी बिग शॉपaholic. मैं मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम आई डू द मैक्सिमम शॉपिंग ऑफ द ईयर. आई लिटरली वेट फॉर माई बर्थडे कि यू नो जब बर्थडे आएगा तब मैं शॉपिंग करूंगी. सेकेंड, दे आर प्रेजेंट्स फ्रॉम तेजस. तो हमारे बीच में ना ये पैक्ट है कि फॉर ईच अदर्स बर्थडे वी डू द बर्थडे शॉपिंग. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम तेजस. एक्चुअली 98% थिंग्स आर गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम तेजस. एक या दो मैंने खुद के लिए लिया होगा. So yeah, let me show you. तो हम I think एक 15 days back we went to do this shopping. सारा shopping हमने almost एक दो दिन में ही किया था. तो what should I start with first? Okay, let's start with the Aldo bag which has my footwear. Okay. So these are the flats that I've been waiting to buy. Look at them. They're so chic. तो मेरे पास एक फ्लैट है which is the Birkenstock which I use everywhere and anywhere. But अभी हम मसाई मारा जा रहे हैं. So I thought you know this just suits the vibe and they're so chic, right? Also when I went for shopping सारे चीज़ों पे up to 30% 40% off था. So I got this for I think nearly 5,000 rupees. Actual MRP is 11,000 पर मुझे डिस्काउंट में मिला. So and this I gifted myself. Nice, no? Okay, next is a gift from Tejas to me. So I don't wear heels. I love wedges. So he got me this flat क्या बोलते हैं उसका भी, flat wedge I think so, which is also very beautiful wedge. Look at this. So these are like proper platform flats. तो मुझे बहुत you know आसान होता है. Plus I had a ligament tear so I can actually not wear heels. So these are perfect. I'm gonna carry this also to Masai Mara. I think ये सारे बीच काइंड ऑफ कपड़ों के साथ अच्छा जाएगा. नाइस नो. दिस आर ऑल्सो फॉर 10,000 और हमें डिस्काउंट में 5,000 में मिला. ओके सो ये था फुटवेयर. द लास्ट फुटवेयर दैट आई बॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ वॉज लास्ट ईयर इन डिसम्बर. तो मैं से साल में ना 2 बार ही शॉपिंग करती हूँ, बर्थडे टाइम एंड न्यू ईयर टाइम. So बर्थडे टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा शॉपिंग हो जाता है but we deserve it. We work so hard, we earn so much, so we should pamper ourselves. Tada. So this is done. Now the most exciting one is from Mango. I love Mango as a brand and वहाँ पे भी ऑफर चल रहा था तो मैंने थोड़ा अच्छे से शॉपिंग कर ली. The first one is this beautiful dress. रुको मैं आगे आके दिखाती हूँ आपको. तो ये ड्रेस I bought for Africa only. It is kind of backless and it's a पूरा flare का dress. I don't know कभी कैसे दिखेगा ये, but it is a long dress, very subtle, chic and you know modest kind of an outfit. So इसके नीचे वो platforms will look so good, है ना? इसका price है, this is 6,000 rupees and we got 20% off on it. This is the one dress. I should have ironed it, पर हम इसको ऐसे ही पैक करेंगे बैग में. Hopefully it will look good, है ना? Next from Mango, I got this quad set, denim on denim set, which I really liked and would look really good in a safari. So it is like a short denim on denim kind of situation. How does it look? मुझको बहुत पसंद आया. I thought it will look very nice, calm and very chic kind of thing. तो इसका प्राइस कितना है? The entire just the top is 3,400 and this is 3,400 and this is 4,000. Again we would have got it on discount, 30% off. So it's a good piece to have in your collection. I got this two cord pant and shirt. Same isme. These are like very comfortable. Can wear it in airport also. These are like pants. These are pants and ये है top. So I usually like good cord. कोड क्या बोलते कोड ड्रेस ही बोलते ना हाँ तो आई लाइक द कोड ड्रेस तो मैंने इसके दो कलर्स उठाए दिस इज द ब्राउन वन एंड आई गॉट द अदर वन इन लाइट ब्राउन लेट मी शो यू दैट ऑल्सो एंड इसका प्राइस भी मैं आपको बताती हूँ दिस इज 3000 एंड आई एम श्योर दिस इज ऑल्सो ओ दैट इज 4000 3000 4000 एंड एंड में हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे कितना हुआ पर सब पे 30% ऑफ मिला है हमें आई गॉट दिस पैंट्स ऑल्सो नाइस नो दे आर गुड लाइक जब मैं पहन के दिखाऊंगी ना आपको समझ में आएगा एंड आई गॉट दिस टू टॉप्स वन इज लाइक अ ब्लैक टॉप तो डेनिम एंड ऑल के लिए अच्छा होगा एंड आई गॉट दिस वन इन लाइक ऑफ वाइट कलर नाइस तो ये पूरा शॉपिंग था मैंगो से आई थिंक मैंगो का पूरा बिल अराउंड 20,000 हुआ था 20,000 राइट और 28,000 I don't remember because they just paid. It is my birthday shopping, so yeah. And ये सारा कुछ मैं अफ्रीका भी लेके जाऊंगी. You all already know we are going with our अनमोल रतन्स and हम मुंबई से फ्लाइट ले रहे हैं. आपको अगर जानना है कि उसका पैकेज कितना है, how to do the bookings and all, तो ये वीडियो में थोड़ा बताएंगे. And also will vlog, while we go and everything. तो वहाँ पे भी आपको सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. One important thing is that you have to take yellow fever vaccine. It is absolutely mandatory. You cannot go. You have to take the vaccine at least 10 days before and taking the vaccine is not easy. You have to check out all the government hospitals. वहाँ पे slot होता है वो slot में जाके लेना होता है. So you have to remember that. Other than that, I would say कि now तो it is like a hotspot kind of place with Ranbir and Alia का proposal हुआ था वहाँ पे. Many big celebrities have gone. So it is not a budget travel. हमें आई थिंक पर कपल 3 lakhs के अराउंड पड़ा जस्ट फॉर द सफारी पैकेज विच इज 3 days. अदर देन दैट द फ्लाइट्स विल कॉस्ट यू 50K अराउंड पर पर्सन तो फॉर अ कपल इट्स नियरली 4 lakh. उसके अलावा यू हैव टू ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम नायरोबी टू मसाई मारा इन केन्या तो उसका भी थोड़ा सा बैक एंड फोर्थ ट्रैवल का स्टे का सब मिला के आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड 4.5 lakh पर कपल. And if you're going solo, then I think it will be nearly 2 lakh-ish. So ये था उसका details and let's move on to the next. The next one is from Cover Story. I've recently came across this brand and I've got many pieces from it. It's very beautiful. एक dress मैं already पहन चुकी हूँ, which was my 500K event का dress. So this was like love at first sight. मैंने इस dress को देखा and I was like, okay, this is what I want to wear for my event. Especially this very subtle detailing with the entire red. Red is my favorite color. So this is the dress. ये यहाँ पे भी offers चल रहे थे. तो I think this dress is for 7,000 and हमें 50% off में मिला. So very good investment. You can check out Cover Story. मेरा एक जो बहुत famous red dress है where you all keep asking me the links, that is also from Cover Story. So this one is a little different. I've never worn anything like that, but I just got it. We'll try something new. So it's a dress. It's an asymmetric dress, and I really wanted something like this because again, I don't experiment with clothes a lot, and I thought कि इसको ऐसे पहनेंगे, and I'll put a belt. So I also got a belt to like accessorize it. I hope it will look good. जब ये पहनेंगे तो आप मुझे बताना कि कैसे दिखता है. But this was also for like good 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. But I thought एक statement piece होना चाहिए ना wardrobe में. So this is something I'm trying new on my birthday. इस birthday पे मैंने बहुत सारे resolutions बनाए. I usually don't make birthday resolutions, but life has taught me certain things, as example. मैं ना हमेशा मेरे सारे close friends के या फिर I'm usually a very big giver or very generous. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं हमेशा सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा करती हूँ and I don't usually get that in return. So now that I'm 29 years old, I think I have to have some boundaries or I actually love loving people, but sometimes when it makes you feel कि you don't get the love back or they are not putting you on their priority list, so is it right to do it? Till what extent? So this birthday taught me that when I always do so much for everyone, I don't see them doing the same for you. So it's okay, I still love my friends and everything, but I just feel ki, do it for the right people who would do the same for you. So again, if you are some young girl who is watching this video, I just want to tell ki pouring your heart onto someone is perfect, but if they don't do the same back to you, make your boundaries. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next. I got some tops from this Instagram brand called Select Staples. Now, very honestly, not a very big fan of this brand. I ordered like almost 8 items. They were very, very costly. I think from the big brands cover story, Mango, this brand costed me a lot. It costed me nearly 20,000 for very basic, bad quality clothes. So I'm going to show you. I know Select Staples is all over the Instagram feed, and I don't know how, but I did not like it personally. Like the quality and the fit and everything should be like 500 rupees. This top here, it is of, I don't know, it's maybe 3,000 rupees. तो मैंने ऑर्डर तो कर दिया थिंकिंग लाइक इट्स लाइक वेरी chic and wardrobe के लिए अच्छा होगा, but not a fan. Also, I got like many more clothes and I wanted to return it because quality was not good and great. There is no return policy. चलो, there is no return policy. Exchange तो होना चाहिए. Like I ordered this night dress and I thought the color is not suiting great on me. The night dress is of 4,500. So I thought maybe I'll order a red color because I love red color. इनके पास रिटर्न नहीं है. एक्सचेंज में भी they're not letting me exchange to the red color. And for every exchange that I placed, I had to pay 120 rupees extra. तो पहले मैंने 20,000 भरे, then I returned or exchanged 4 products, तो मैंने 120 extra दिया. तो it was a very very bad experience. Sometimes you want to try Instagram brands and it does not work out. तो yeah, ये Select Staples से मैंने बहुत कपड़े मंगवाए थे. आधे कपड़े एक्सचेंज पे दिए हैं. जो एक्सचेंज पे दिए, it's been 2 weeks, I have not even got the exchange. They picked up, but they did not give me an exchange. So ये हाल है थोड़ा सा. I got this blue top also. तो मैंने बेसिक टॉप्स एंड ये सब ऑर्डर किए थे, बट these are fine, honestly, not worth the price. So if you are looking to buy or contemplating whether you should buy from this or not, my vote would be you might get it at a better price. This all was my clothing and footwear का haul. इसके अलावा my husband also got me, Tejas also got me a lot of makeup products as gifts. तो ये सारा कुछ, और इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारा है, अभी मैंने इधर रखा है. Do you remember in the last vlog you all saw that he took me to the makeup artist, like the luxury makeup artist experience. उनसे he took all of these products and he got it for me. Now honestly, if you see my makeup products, they are very basic. They are from Mars, Lakme, Maybelline, like very drugstore normal products. I don't spend on makeup because I don't do only, तो क्यों spend करे. But now I have got an upgrade and he's got me many products. First product is this Bobbi Brown moisturizer. Abhi, I think he could have just got me a mini. This is nearly 7,000 rupees का. I hope he's got good offers on it. But वो makeup artist ने बोला था कि this should be a good base to prep your skin. तो उसने मुझको ये लाके दिया. This is my very first Bobbi Brown product. I don't know what to say, but yay! तो अभी इसके बाद कभी तो हम मेकअप का वीडियो भी कर सकते हैं. Again, another thing that I thought I'll do after I turn 29, like I'll do more of should be makeup. अभी इसके अलावा he got me MAC का stroke cream, MAC का Fix It, what do you call it, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, fixer ही बोलते हैं ना, setting spray, yeah, setting spray. He got me an eyebrow palette from MAC. He also got me MAC का eyeshadow. एंड आई थिंक मुझे सारा कुछ मैक से लाया. एंड दिस इज कॉफी इन योर क्रेम, ऐसे ही ना, या क्रेम इन योर कॉफी का लिपस्टिक. सो या दिस इज द मेकअप. देयर इज वन मोर हुडा ब्यूटी का पाउडर, सेटिंग पाउडर दैट ही हैज गॉट मी. वो किधर तो है, आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज, सो आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडेड इट इन द हॉल. बट या दिस वॉज माई बर्थडे हॉल. आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. आपको अगर कुछ लिंक्स चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो ट्राई टू लिंक एवरीथिंग इन द वीडियो सो यू हैव डायरेक्ट एक्सेस टू इट. मैंने सोचा था अभी मैं पूरा पैकिंग करूँगी तो आपको दिखाऊंगी, बट बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है. सो आई विल जस्ट गिव vlogging the packing part, and I will see you directly when we are at the airport to go to Masai Mara. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe